To find the referral code in Remitly, start by opening a web browser and typing in Remitly to access the remitly.com website. Click on the website, and you will see various options, including send money, transfer history, refer friends, as well as login and sign up buttons. Log into your account by entering your email and password. Once you have logged in, go to the top part of the page and click on Refer Friends. Here, you can find your referral code and learn more about the referral program, which offers a deal where you can give $10 and get $10. You can share your special Remitly link with friends via email, text message, or social media, such as WhatsApp and Facebook. Simply copy your invite link and use any of these methods to share it with others. You can also share the link on other social media accounts you frequently use. By sharing the link, your friends can sign up for Remitly, and you can both benefit from the referral program.